Yeah. Look at you. Oh, I'm not sure how secure that towel is. Hey. You gonna help Mommy fold clothes? That'd be great. Yeah. Especially the socks. I don't like doing socks. Been standing up for a while. Yeah? Your legs getting a little bit stronger? Hey! Hey, Carlin! Hey, are you waving to me? Be careful, I think you still need 2 hands for balancing. Doing a jig. Oh, there goes the ball. Baseball. That was enough. Oh, going to get it. It's all the way around. There you go. Don't worry, buddy. We'll get you a soccer ball soon, I promise.